What happens when a beloved educational coding platform transforms into an AI powerhouse generating over $100 million in annual revenue? Today, we are diving deep into Replit's pricing strategy to understand how they've managed one of the most dramatic pivots in history. Founded in 2016 by a husband and wife, Amjad, Masad, and his wife, Haya, Replit started as a simple browser-based collaborative coding environment. For years, they grew steadily, reaching about 22 million users in 2023. But then, in September 24, everything changed. The launch of Replit Agent transformed their business overnight. The numbers tell an extraordinary story. According to CEO Amjad Masad, by June 2025, Replit catapulted from 10 million ARR at the end of 2024 to 100 million, achieving 10x growth in under 6 months. This makes them one of the fastest growing B2B SaaS companies in history. How did they do it? By introducing AI agents that can build entire applications from natural language prompts. Users can now say, build me a customer feedback app with a dashboard and watch a fully functional application materialize before their eyes. This shift from code assistant to complete application generation fundamentally changes their value proposition. Today, Replit is reportedly in talks for a new funding round valued at $3 billion. They're backed by the best investors in the game, including Andreessen Horowitz and Khosla Ventures, and have 500,000 business users on the platform to build production application, and they've successfully moved beyond their original educational roots. So now let's examine their pricing page and their pricing strategy and see what they're up to. Replit has essentially 3 plans: Replit Core, Teams, and Enterprise. And then they have this free plan. Then they have go live with deployment. So they have add-ons: auto scale deployments, reserved VM deployments, scheduled deployments, static deployments. I'm liking this. I'm liking that there is a full table of what you get in different plans. Let's look at what the enterprise plan is. SSO, SAML, advanced privacy controls, custom viewer seat, custom pricing, dedicated support. And Replit Teams has centralized billing, 50 user seats, role-based access control, private deployment, pay-as-you-go. Some of what Replit has in its Teams plan was in, I think we had seen Windsurf's enterprise plan, which actually is a Teams feature. So I think they have designed the plans well. They have better understanding of their customer segments, and they're sending customers requisitely to the enterprise tier. So I will give them good marks, like 9 out of 10 on the packaging. Pricing metrics, they have talking about usage credits and talking about credits here. Let's see if they explain what credits are. Going down, okay. I cannot see on their page what credits are, and this is not good. They're saying there's pay as you go for additional usage, which is nice. So they're saying that there is some sort of overage fee, but I really want to know the table. I really want a document for credits and how credits are going to be used. So that is a concern. They have posted fees for storage, for deployments. That is direct dollar fees, which is okay. But what about the credit consumption? They have put direct dollar fees here. So where are credits? Of course, credits are somewhere. Of course, you can find the answer, but just because it's not on the pricing page, that is not ideal. This is going to create confusion. It's going to reduce sales velocity. So maybe 5 out of 10 on the pricing metric. Finally, on price points, I'm going to tank them again on price points, because almost Cursor has proven that there is going to be a case for a plan at the $200 mark. Claude Code is proving that. So I would want to see a plan like that in addition to this enterprise plan, where you're charging that much, so that those customers are probably just going to be able to open their credit card and pay you. And because you don't have that price point, you're forcing all of these people to go to this custom conversations, and they may just pick a different tool and not work with you because of that. So I will give you less marks, maybe 3 out of 10 on the price point itself, just because you're missing something and you're actually leaving money on the table. Alright, so that was my thought. I have filled in the marks. I think Replit is doing a good job, but I think they can definitely improve. And if they just add a little bit more clarity to their pages in terms for what they offer in the pricing metric, that would be also helpful.